this picture, children? It is a beautiful scenery of Andaman Nicobar Islands, and it is Indian Union Territory. And the second pic is the capital of Andaman Islands, Port Blair. Very beautiful, no? Children, in our first session of this lesson, we have learned that the speaker, his sister Amala, along with their parents, started their journey from Vijayawada and reached Chennai through Pinakini Express. There, they boarded a ship and started towards Port Blair, the capital city of Andaman. After 2 days' voyage, they had reached Port Blair, the capital city of Andaman Islands. There, they had visited a famous national monument, the Cellular Jail, built by British rulers. Now, it was no longer a jail. It had been converted into a big hospital. Okay, see the second picture, children? That is Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. It is also located in Port Blair, and it spread over a wide area of 15 islands. There, they enjoyed watching coral reefs, fishes of different colors, and sea turtles. Now, let us see what other places they had visited at Andaman Islands in our today's session. Before entering into our today's part of the lesson, we shall see some difficult words which we come across in this lesson in glossary part. Glossary. Island. A piece of land surrounded by water. Majestic, having or showing impressive beauty or skill. Basking, lie exposed to warmth and light. Amazement, a feeling of great surprise or wonder. Adventure, exciting or daring experience. Delicious, highly pleasant to the taste. After watching Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, they had travelled by ferry from Port Blair to Havelock Island. See this picture, children? Very beautiful. Havelock Island. A majestic lighthouse greeted us on our arrival at the Havelock Island. We felt as if the sandy beaches and the greenish blue sea were warmly welcoming us. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. We saw tourists enjoying swimming in the sea and riding on elephants. Silky sands, foaming tides, and cool breeze of the sea attracted us very much. We took lots of pictures of the beautiful scenery. From Havelock Island, the speaker along with his family reached a beach called Elephant Beach. We visited the beach called Elephant Beach. To our amazement, We saw some swimmers diving into the sea from the motor boats. They were dressed in a different way. They put masks on the faces and carried their cylinders on their backs. I asked Dad, "Why are the swimmers diving in the sea?" Dad replied, "They want to watch the coral reefs and beautiful colored fishes and sea turtles. They stay for a long time beneath the sea and swim along with them. It is called scuba diving." The scuba diving filled my heart with a spirit of adventure. I wished I could do it. Children, now let us see a beautiful video of scuba diving. They are doing this with the help of experts. Watch and enjoy the video. In next slide. Children, have you enjoyed watching scuba diving? Good. Next, Radhanagar Beach. Lastly, we visited Radhanagar Beach. It was a beautiful place with white sand and thick green forests along the coastline. We saw a man riding on elephant. He offered rides on payment. My sister Amala and I enjoyed a jolly ride on elephant. We tasted delicious tandoori fish and other seafoods on the islands. My mouth still waters when I remember those moments. I cherish the memory of the great fun we had. I will never forget my trip to Andaman. Children, how do you feel? I feel that just now I have reached Hyderabad from Andaman trip. I think you too feel same, isn't it? Good. Children, shall we do some language work in vocabulary part? Okay. Antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms means opposite meaning of the given word. Here, I have taken some sentences from the lesson. So, we have to find out the opposite meaning of the isolated word in the sentence. Okay, the first one. They were dressed in a different way. Here, opposite of different is same. The second one. It was a beautiful place with white sand and a thick green forest. Here, opposite of thick is thin. Third one. I will never forget my trip to Andaman. Here, opposite of forget is remember. The last one. We took a lot of pictures of the beautiful scenery at Havelock Island. So, opposite of beautiful is ugly. Okay children, hope you understood the lesson. We shall discuss some question and answers in comprehension part. The first question. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have been called a miniature India. Do you agree with this view? The answer for this question is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we find people of all states and aboriginal tribes who are far from civilized society. Hence, the island have been called miniature India. I agreed with this view. The second question. How did the tourists enjoy on the beach? The answer is tourists enjoyed many things on the beach. Basking in the sun, watching foaming waves, swimming, elephant rides, and tasting a delicious tandoori fish and other seafoods are some of them. Third question. Why do you think the scuba divers need air cylinders? Answer is scuba divers remain under water surface for quite some time. So, they need air cylinders for breathing. The last question. Have you ever visited any tourist place? Share your experience. Children, you have to write your own experience for this answer. And you have to start the answer like, I have visited. The remaining part you have to write. Okay, children?